Hi there, and welcome to the Geonix channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the WhoLogin Antidetect solution. WhoLogin is a modern anti-detect browser developed specifically for anonymous and independent work across multiple accounts simultaneously. It's widely used in affiliate marketing, marketplace operations, the crypto industry, as well as SEO and advertising. Each profile in WhoLogin operates in an isolated environment with its own unique digital fingerprint. Among the core features are protection from tracking via HTTP and WebGL fingerprints, instant profile changes, all adjustments apply in real time, advanced privacy controls, detailed settings for JavaScript, WebRTC, Canvas, and fonts, secure proxy support, team collaboration, profile sharing with access control, local data storage. All information remains on your device without being synced to the cloud. WhoLogin also supports bulk inputting of profiles and proxies, API access for automation, profile syncing between devices, and separate management of cookies, passwords, and bookmarks. Now let's talk about pricing. WhoLogin offers two plans, one free and one paid. The free plan is geared towards solo users and already includes unlimited browser profiles. The Pro one, priced at $89, unlocks the full functionality, team member support, API for automation, a private server, and 24/7 customer service. Let's launch the application and walk through its interface. After launching, you'll land on the main screen. Here you'll see all your profiles. You can edit them anytime, add notes, pin them, and more. Let's go ahead and create a new profile. Click the plus icon at the top. A new window will open where you can name the profile, add tags and notes. Below that is the proxy section, followed by detailed fingerprint configuration. Everything from browser version to screen resolution. Scroll down further and you'll find the MISC section where you can set the home page, add extensions, and customize other elements. Once everything is filled out, click Create to save or Create and Run to launch the profile immediately. If the quick toggle is enabled, the profile will be created in one click using default settings. Now let's check out the other tabs. The Proxy tab lets you add proxies manually or import them from a list. You can find a step-by-step proxy configuration guide by clicking the annotation on the screen. The tag icon lets you show or hide tags from the workspace. The Import tab allows you to import the entire profile sets. The Trash tab holds deleted profiles. You can restore them or permanently delete them from here. In the bottom left corner, there is a Help section for contacting support. Right next to it is the Settings tab, where you can change the interface language, customize appearance, manage data display, and access other configuration options. At the top, in the Profile section, you'll also find a search bar for quicker navigation across your accounts. Based on today's walkthrough, it's clear that WhoLogin is a comprehensive solution for safe, scalable, and productive online work. Thanks to flexible fingerprint settings, a strong focus on anonymity, and collaboration features, this tool is a solid fit for marketers, analysts, recruiters, and anyone managing multi-account workflows while trying to minimize the risk of bans. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, Geonix.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.